guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Detroit Boat Show right here at Cobo Hall, downtown Detroit, and I love this show, by far one of my favorite shows of the whole year. And while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new products to report to you guys on, and I ran across something that everybody in the Great Lakes needs to learn about right now. I'm here with Alan. Alan, how are you, brother?
Great, thanks.
Good, good, good. Now, you're with Coastal Marine Customs. This is something that everybody is getting excited about here in the Great Lakes market especially. Tell us a little bit about what it is you guys do and the product that you carry.
Yeah, the product we carry is CEDEK marine products. It's a non-skid EVA foam product for boats, for flooring, for swim platforms. We came on with CEDEK last year in April as the certified fabricator for CEDEK in Michigan.
Oh, nice.
So we can come directly to you, do all the digital templating.
Okay.
We go through, do a layout, everything from start to finish for your CEDEK products, and we're all certified. So.
Now, CEDEK is not just swim platforms, so you can do, like, let's see, a jet ski, you can do the whole walkway area to helm for like a power boat, a sailboat. I mean, you've got any decking that you have need for, not just to replace the old teak or anything like that, but even non-skid. You can lay this stuff down, and it's closed foam, correct?
Yes, closed cell foam.
So the importance of that is that it's like scratch resistant, moldoo resistant.
Doesn't absorb any water.
Right. So if I spill some wine on this thing, it's a simple cleanup rather than, let's scrap the boat.
No, not at all. A lot of people are going to the CEDEK product over carpet for that matter.
Yeah.
You know, it's a really nice cushion, easy on the feet.
Yeah.
The safety aspects are great, and a lot of the marine textile products get hot on your feet.
Yeah.
CEDEK is not hot.
Well, that's important because you're going to be out on the water all day, Alan. The last thing you want to do is go from the water environment to a swim platform where you're walking like this the whole time. Right. You want to be able to be comfortable underneath it.
Exactly.
A lot of advantages of this kind of product.
Yes, for sure.
So tell me a little bit more about what do I need to do if I have an interest in this product? I contact you guys come out, template my boat, or do you already have some templates figured out? How does that work?
Well, first thing we would need is the year, make, and model of your boat.
Okay.
Then we go through and check our archives with CEDEK, see if we have a template for your boat, send that to you. If that looks like your boat, we can give you a quote right there on it.
Nice.
Yes. If it's something you want to move forward with, we come out to your boat, we do a digital scan of the inside of the boat, template everything. Then from there we come back, clean everything all up, lay out whatever pattern you want in the boat, proof it back to you. Then once that's approved, we go ahead, we run the product, then schedule an install.
So the product that I'll be putting on my boat doesn't necessarily need to be the stuff that looks just like teak. There's a wide variety of different styles, colors, shapes, patterns, all that stuff.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, we have right here, here's all the colors that are available.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And the different patterns.
Different thicknesses.
Yeah. Well, that is fantastic. So if I wanted to find out more about the different colors, patterns, and styles and so forth, would I just go onto your website, or how is the best way to do that?
Yep. Best way to check us out is at coastalmarinecustoms.com.
Okay.
Yep. Or you can get through us through CEDEK's website, go to the custom tab, and find us for the certified fabricator in the Great Lakes.
Now, Michigan's surrounded by Great Lakes, so you're up in the Traverse City area. Let's say that I'm down here in the Detroit market. You guys willing to come down here to do my boat?
Yep, that's what we're here for.
Love it. How about if I'm over in Grand Rapids?
Yep, we have several jobs going down right now in Grand Haven.
Perfect. So no matter where I'm at in Michigan, if I'm interested in CEDEK product for my boat, you guys, Coastal Marine Customs, are the people to call, and I can go on your website to look at the different styles and varieties of CEDEK product that you have, learn a little bit more about it, contact you there, have you come out and do my boat.
Yes.
I love it, man.
All right.
Fantastic. Alan, thank you so much.
Yep, thank you, Eric.
Yeah. So the website again, coastalmarinecustoms.com.
Yep.
You made it pretty difficult.
All right.
Thanks again, Alan. CoastalMarineCustoms.com, guys. Make sure you check it out. The CEDEK product is revolutionizing how we enjoy decking on our boat when it comes to either replacing your teak, replacing the carpet, however you want to enjoy your boat with custom CEDEK product like this. These are the guys to contact. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys. We'll see you out on the water.